So this section 6.3 is kind of a short section. We're just trying to get used to logarithms and going from a logarithm function to an exponential function and the relationship that they have. We talked about common logs, which are base 10. Now we're going to talk about natural logs. Natural logs are base e. So if you had e to the y power equals x, you would write that as, now a natural log is ln, like that. So it'd be ln, meaning log base e. Let me write that, log base e. We'll talk about the ln in a minute. So you could write log base e of x equals y. So here's the base, go across, get the argument, equals the exponent. But we don't write log base e, we use ln. So it might look like that on your calculator. Sometimes I write it with a loopy L so I know it's not a 1. So natural log of x equals y. So that's how you're going to write it. So on your calculator, you either have an ln button. On my calculator, it's a capital L and a capital N. I'm not really sure why. So one of those two buttons you have to find on your calculator. You might have to use the second key, it just depends. But it should be by your e to the x button because those are inverses. So one will be the second function and one will be the regular function. Okay, so find that button because you're going to need it. We want to evaluate then ln of 500 to 4 decimal places using a calculator. So we find the ln button. We're going to put in 500 and we're going to see what that equals. Okay, so there's my ln button. I put in 500. I always close the parenthesis, just good habits. And I get 6 point, now 4 decimal places I'm going to round off, 2146. It does not, I have 08. It's not going to round up, so that's it right there. It's approximately 6.2146. So you have to play around with your calculator a little bit. You want to learn how to put these in your calculator so you can get accurate answers.